Okay, welcome to your challenge this morning. We're going to do a little bit of baking. Now, if you've read the next part of the Dino challenge, you'll see that in that story, what they do is they find a recipe book, and the recipe book has got a recipe for dinosaurs and for giving them something to eat to make them grow wings. Now, today I am going to make the recipe which is in the story. But you, if you want to, you can make any recipe today and you can make anything for your health and well-being challenge. But you can also have a go at this. Now, before we start, because we have got not so healthy things going in our recipe today, I would like you to have a look at the Eat Well guide. This is the Eat Well guide here. And I want you to have a look at all the different areas that are on it. And I would like you to go into your kitchens now and find something from each side. So you might want to pause this. You can see if you can find something from each part. Now the part we're looking at today is the not so healthy part. So the not so healthy part is just off the Eat Well guide now, okay? And these are things that you eat less often, but things that are still quite healthy, so that we're getting things from here. You don't need to go and find anything else from here. I'd like you to go and find stuff from elsewhere. Now you might notice that something we're using today is in the different part as well. So pause it now and go and find something from each. So now you've gone and done that, and you've got all your different things. You've had a good look at all the different parts that are in here. We are going to look at things that are in the not so healthy part. So that's the bits that you wouldn't have all the time. You wouldn't eat them all the time. So you will need, if you want to make some Krispies today like I am, you will need some, what have we got there, Jen? Rice Krispies.
Krispies.
Can you hold them? And you will need some milk chocolate too. You will need some cake cases, which I've got here, and you will need some scales, and you will need 2 bowls, a microwave, and some sweet treats to put on top for your dinosaurs. So the first thing you need to do is you need to work out how many Rice Krispies you need. And Jen's got the Rice Krispies there ready for me, haven't you? Mm-hmm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my cases, see how many you can get into one of them. So if we just do this and scoop it in, you don't really want it overflowing. So if you reckon you can get about half in there, then you could weigh how much you've got there. And that's probably around about 10 grams or so, okay? So if you know how much needs to go in there, you can then times that by how many we've got. So we've got 10 grams in here, I'll show you. Okay, the scale says 10 grams there. We've got about 10 grams in there, and we've got 12 cases. So if we've got 10 grams and 12 cases, how many do we need? How many grams do we need? So we do 12 times 10. So pause it if you need a second to think about that. Good, right? 12 times 10 is 120. So we need to pour out into here to make it 120. You can count on the side. So will we use this one to pour it out?
Yeah.
So leave them there. Here, you tip that bowl in. Tip it, tip, tip, tip. Can you help me tip it? And we get our chocolate ready. Yeah. In the puddle. Can you break the chocolate up in here for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Come on, you break it up.
You
Break it up. You're munching that chocolate. Come on then, break it in. Good girl. There we go. So now we have broken up all of our chocolate into the bowl. We need to now put that in the microwave for a wee bit. Now what you're better to do is put it on for about 30 seconds, give it a stir, put it on for another 30 seconds, give it another stir, and then see when it's all melted. So can you take that over to the microwave for me? Good girl. Do you think it's ready, Jen?
Yeah.
Yeah, want to mix it up then? Give it a mix. Good girl. Mix, 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 mix. And then you need to pour the chocolate into the Krispies. Pour it in.
Krispies.
And now that you've poured it in, you can give it a good old mix up, can't you?
Mix it.
You like mixing it?
And chocolate.
So now we have mixed it all up in the bowl. You can see that all the crispy cakes are covered in chocolate. And where does it need to go now, Jen? In here?
Here.
Right then, so we get a spoon. We get a wee spoonful of it. Now, if you want to, you can mix some of your sweet treats into it now and mix it up, or you can save your sweet treats for the end. We're going to save ours for the end, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're going to put some raisins through our mix. And get some raisins now. Put some raisins through our mix, ready?
Yeah, raisins.
And now we've mixed it through, we've put some raisins in too, just to put a little bit of healthiness in this chocolate. And we're going to get a spoonful and put it in each of the cases. Can you help me with that, please? Into here. Tip it in, tip it in, tip it in. Other one?
Oh,
You need to get them ones filled up.
look what.
Do they look good?
Oh.
Do they?
Mm.
They look yummy.
Ah, chocolate.
Look at that nice chocolate in there. Yeah. So now we're just putting all of the sweets on top of them to make them extra yummy and to help the dinosaurs grow their wings. These are the special ingredient. Thank you very much.
Eggs.
They're like little eggs. They are. Let's stick them on top. So now we have our lovely dinosaur treats ready. Okay, so this is exactly what they would be given the dinosaurs to make them grow wings. Now it's up to you if you want to use the exact same recipe as me or you want to make it a little bit different. But if you can put something healthy in it too, since how it is sports day, then that would be a good thing too. So we put a little bit of raisins through it. Now if you are going to eat these, it'd probably be better to eat them after sports day as a treat, because once you've done lots and lots of exercise, you can have some of these things. But some of these things are all right then. Okay, so have a nice time and let me see all of your yummy creations. See you later. Go Red Team!